Hi, boys and girls. Miss Vogel here. Today I'm reading the Journey's Big Book, Zinnia's Flower Garden, written by Monica Wellington. I love planting flowers, and I really like this book because it has a lot of great detailed pictures. So as I'm reading this book, I want you guys to think about what steps can someone follow to plant and grow flowers? Maybe this spring you guys can help out and plant some flowers of your own. Zinnia's Flower Garden. On this page, this is called the Table of Contents. Remember, this is the title page that has the title of the book. Some books have a table of contents, and they just show what's inside the book and what page it is on. Spring has arrived. Zinnia is getting her garden ready for planting. She digs up the soil and turns it over with her shovel. She takes out stones and rakes the dirt smooth. The warm sun feels good as she works. Zinnia is working in her garden. What season is it? Yes, it is spring. And what is the first thing that Zinnia does to get ready for her garden? Yeah, she digs up the soil and gets it ready. These pictures show all the tools that she is using. Zinnia carefully plants many kinds of flower seeds in rows. She covers the seeds with dirt and pats it all down very gently. She sprinkles the ground with water. What's the next step that Zinnia does? Yeah, she plants the seeds, pats it down, and sprinkles it with water. And these pictures show a lot of different kinds of seeds, as well as her little diary of what she's doing today. It says, very busy planting my seeds today. Such hard work. Zinnia waits for the seeds to sprout. The seeds need the sun to shine, the rain to fall, and many days to pass. It is hard to wait so long for her seeds to grow. What do the seeds need to grow? Yeah, they need sun, rain, water, and many days to pass. Every day, Zinnia checks her garden to see if anything has happened. Look, the first seedling is poking its way up through the dirt. So here are the stages of germination. So it starts out as a little seed, and then it keeps sprouting and sprouting until it gets roots, and then you see a sprout. Now Zinnia's garden is full of green sprouts growing toward the sun. Little stems grow taller. Little leaves get bigger. Little roots burrow deeper into the earth. Now what's happening in Zinnia's garden? Yeah, more plants have sprouted. Zinnia takes care of her garden every day. When the sun is hot and the soil is dry, she waters her thirsty plants. So here's a cause and effect. So on hot days, the sun makes the soil dry. So what does Zinnia do to the plants? Does she water them before or after they get dry? Yeah, she waters them after. She pulls up pesky weeds that try to crowd her plants. She inspects them for greedy bugs. She measures how tall her strong and healthy plants are growing. Every day they get bigger and bigger. So what does Zinnia do next for her garden? Yeah, she pulls out those pesky weeds. What does the word pesky mean? Yeah, something you don't like, something that's annoying. And she inspects them for greedy bugs. What does inspect mean? Yeah, she's like a detective. She looks for bugs. First thing in the morning, Zinnia runs out to check her garden. She is excited to see little buds growing on many of her plants. Oh, what do you guys see here? Yes, this is the life cycle of a butterfly. I wonder if those are in Zinnia's garden. First, they start out as eggs, and then grows into a caterpillar, and the caterpillar wraps up into a chrysalis, and then out comes the adult butterfly, ready to fly. And then at last, she finds what she has been waiting for, the first flower. One bud has bloomed. How beautiful! And what a sweet smell. There are many more buds that will open soon. Here, this talks about all the different parts of a flower, and there's small little labels on all the different parts. What do you think this green part is called? Yeah, it's called the stem. The garden grows and grows with blossoming flowers. Zinnia paints, reads, and picnics among them. Butterflies flutter, bees buzz. Zinnia's garden is her favorite place to be on these warm summer days. What a beautiful flower garden. I would love to be there too, and even paint and draw pictures of flowers. Her flowers are abundant, and Zinnia cuts them to arrange into bouquets. The fragrant scents of the flowers swirl around her in the warm breeze. What do you think the word fragrant means? Yeah, a really strong smell. One hot summer day, Zinnia has a lemonade stand and puts up a sign. Pick your own flowers. Customers come and gather bunches of flowers and drop money in her jar. Wow, so what's Zinnia doing after all the flowers in her garden bloom? Yeah, she's having a lemonade stand. Have you guys had a lemonade stand before? Yeah, and people are coming to pay her and they get to pick their own flowers. What a great deal. Ooh, let's check out this. Ooh, 4 quarters equal $1. And we have 5 sets of 4 nickels equal $1. And 10 dimes equal $1. In the autumn, as it gets colder, Zinnia picks the last flowers from her garden. She finds ripe seeds that have formed. They are ready to be collected. She will save them to plant next year. What is the last thing Zinnia does in her garden before winter comes? Yeah, she picks the last flowers and collects all the seeds. Why does Zinnia collect seeds? Yes, to plant for next year. Great job, you guys. The winter days are short, the sun is dim, and the ground is covered with snow. But Zinnia is already planning next year's garden. When spring comes, she'll be ready to grow her very own flowers again. So these pictures show all the flowers in all the different seasons. So here we have winter, spring, early summer, midsummer, late summer, and autumn. The end. Thanks for reading with me, friends. Now, please stay tuned and watch my next video where we are going to talk and draw and write about planting and growing our own flowers, and then we are going to make a flower project. All right, thanks, guys.